Desert Tranquility, crafting my backyard terrarium. I stand by the sunlit window, cradling a 1-gallon glass vase, its surface gleaming in the golden light. The backyard beckons with a promise of nature's tranquility, and I envision my mini oasis taking shape within this transparent sanctuary. Selecting the vase with its wide opening, I meticulously wash it, feeling the smooth glass under my fingertips. Once spotless, I start layering a foundation of charcoal and marbles. The charcoal will absorb excess moisture, preventing soil saturation, while the marbles add a whimsical touch and aid drainage. Now for the plants. I choose a prickly pear cactus, positioning it in the back corner. Its spiky silhouette adds rugged beauty, evoking images of sun-drenched deserts. Variety is key, so I carefully arrange 3 other small backyard plants. A delicate fern unfurls its fronds like emerald lace. Next, a resilient snake plant stands tall, its variegated leaves reaching upwards. Finally, a splash of creeping thyme cascades over the edge, its tiny leaves adding vibrant green. With the main elements in place, I scatter rocks and pebbles, their different shapes and sizes, creating a textured landscape. It's like crafting a miniature world, each stone contributing to the story. Moss is the final touch, spread around the base of the plants like a soft, verdant carpet, transforming the terrarium into a lush forest floor. A gentle mist of water brings everything to life, creating a humid microclimate these plants appreciate. The droplets glisten on the leaves and stones, enhancing the terrarium's vibrant colors. I even added a lizard egg I found in my compost box. Either it hatches and I release it, or it feeds my garden. Ah, that's nature. Stepping back, I admire my creation. It's perfect, a serene escape within my home. I position the vase where it will receive bright but not scorching sunlight. The sun's rays filter through the glass, casting delicate shadows that dance across the room. My little backyard in a vase thrives, a testament to nature's beauty and resilience, offering a moment of tranquility amidst the bustle of everyday life. Remember to like, share, comment, and subscribe for more content. NWT out.